Hello friends, very good afternoon to everybody. I'm Namita, your friend, welcoming you to my channel. How are you my dear friends? I hope you all are doing well and are preparing for your exam. So friends, from paper 7 unit 3 we completed 4 theories, I think. C. A. Insightful learning theory. B. Theory of instruction over. C. Cognitive approach to learning. And D. Jean Piaget's cognitive approach to learning. Both are by Jean Piaget's. C and D also over. So today we'll try to complete social development theory and constructivist theory by Vygotsky. Okay, so we will complete these two theories today, and the last one, humanistic approach to learning or learning centered approach by Carl Rogers. Friends, this is a easy theories, not that much hard to understand, so I hope you can do yourself. If not, comment me in the comment box. Okay, so let's start today's class. Friends, if my videos are really helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and who are watching for the first time, they need to subscribe me to get more videos, and all videos are available in playlist, you can check there. Okay, so social development theory by Albert Bandura. Social development theory. So friends, who gave social development theory? Albert Bandura gave social development theory. Albert Bandura belongs to which country? America. Canadian. He is a Canadian psychologist. Okay, also called, we can call the Albert Bandura to a psychologist as well as environmentalist. He is the president of American Psychological Association in 1974, I think 1974. Okay, president of American Psychological Association. Who? Albert Bandura belongs to Canada, sorry, belongs to Canada. That's why he is a Canadian psychologist. So what Bandura said and what he proposed? So Bandura proposed a new teaching of learning called observational learning or modeling. So what do you mean by observational learning and modeling? Friends, we learn simply or very fastly through observing others. Yes or no? सी, हम कैसे सीखते हैं? बच्चे जो टीवी में देखते हैं और उनके पेरेंट्स को देखते हैं, तो जल्दी क्या है, उनको देख के वो सीख जाते हैं. सो बंदूरा प्रपोज दिस न्यू teaching he called observational teaching and modeling. So most of learning takes place through imitation. You are imitating others, you are observing others, or model. Who are model? Model can be your friend, your teacher, your parents, your surrounding. To see the society, you are observing the society, seeing the society, you are learn. Yes or no? Bandura said people learn much more rapidly simply by observing others. बंदूरा ने क्या बोला था कि बच्चे हो या पीपल क्या करते हैं, वेरी फास्ट और सिंपली, ज़्यादा कष्ट नहीं करना नहीं पड़ता है, वेरी फास्टली विल लर्न सीइंग अदर्स, ऑब्जर्विंग अदर्स. है कि नहीं? We learn from live models and symbolic models. Okay, live models, seeing your teacher is teaching, your parents, you are observing your parents, how they are talking, how they are eating, everything you are observing. Symbolic models, symbolic means symbolize. Your teachers teaches you something, shows you something, from that also you will learn by indirectly or directly. Observation teaches us the probable consequences of new behavior. This process is called vicarious reinforcement. So friends, what do you mean by vicarious reinforcement? Friends, for example, अभी आपके क्लास में आपके टीचर ने आपके फ्रेंड को ना प्रेज किया, ज़्यादा तारीफ़ कर दिया, वाओ योर हैंड राइटिंग इज़ वेरी गुड, वाओ यू डिड द हैंड राइटिंग और यू डिड ए वेरी गुड ड्राइंग, और वो कोई डांस किया और कुछ अच्छा किया तो आपके टीचर ने आपके फ्रेंड को प्रेज कर दिया। तो आप भी क्या करोगे, मैं भी उसके जैसे अच्छा हैंड राइटिंग करूँगी, मैं भी आज के उसके जैसे अच्छे पढ़ाई करूँगी तो मुझे भी टीचर क्या करेंगे, प्रेज करेंगे। ऐसा सोच के आप भी क्या करते हो, उसको यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू लाइक योर फ्रेंड. So, observation teaches us the probable consequences of new behavior. Consequences क्या है, आपके टीचर ने आपके फ्रेंड ने अच्छा हैंडराइटिंग में लिखा था, गुड हैंडराइटिंग में लिखा था, सो उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या आया, उसको प्रेज मिला. सो दिस इज द कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ योर वर्क. सो कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ न्यू बिहेवियर. तो इसलिए आपको एक न्यू बिहेवियर क्या है, आपके फ्रेंड को आप देख के आप भी अच्छा हैंडराइटिंग करने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हो. This is called vicarious reinforcement. You are trying yourself to do well. That example only I wrote here. Your class teacher praises your friend for good handwriting or for some other work. So for that reason you too tries to write well. आप भी अच्छे लिखने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हो. Models can influence 4 kinds of behavior. Models. Who are the models? I already said the teacher, maybe your friend, maybe your parents are called models. So models can influence 4 kinds of behavior. तो models से आप क्या सीखते हो? How they are influencing you? Aggression behavior. आप मम्मी पापा गुस्सा कर रहे, गाली दे रहे, तो आप भी वो गाली ही सीखोगे पेरेंट्स से, है कि नहीं. आपके मम्मी पापा आपसे अच्छे से बिहेव कर रहे, इसलिए आप भी अच्छे से बिहेव करोगे, है कि नहीं. इसीलिए ना मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं बेटा आप इधर आ जाओ, बेटा आप खाओगे, ऐसे बात करते हैं, क्योंकि उनको लगता है वो आपसे अच्छे से बिहेव करोगे तो आप वही सीखोगे. आपसे रेस्पेक्ट से बात करते हैं बच्चे से. सेक्स रोल्स क्या है, मेल फीमेल कैसे करते हैं, मेल का क्या नेचर है, क्या वर्क है, आप उनको देख के सीखते हो. मम्मी को देख के कुछ सीखते हो, पापा को देख के कुछ सीखते हो. पैटर्न ऑफ सेल्फ री एनफोर्समेंट. अब मैंने बोला था व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सेल्फ री एनफोर्समेंट. यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग बेटर, you are trying to do your good handwriting, you are trying to do something good work. Pro social behavior. What do you mean by pro social behavior? कुछ voluntary works है, caring है, sharing हो गया, helping हो गया, you are learning from models. Okay, so friends, what do you mean by social development theory by Albert Bandura? Nothing. Albert Bandura is saying we learn very easily, very fastly by observing others, by seeing others. Okay, it is also called modeling, because who are the models here? Your parents. Seeing your parents, seeing the friends, seeing your surroundings, seeing your society, you are learns. So this is all about social development theory by Albert Bandura. I hope you understood about this theory. Okay, if any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, friends. So next one. No, sorry, something is there also. So observational learning consists 4 components. Okay, I forgot, sorry. So Albert Bandura said we are learn observing, seeing others we are learn. So this observational learning consists four components, four stages. These four stages help us to learn something. What are the four components? See, first one, attention, retention, motor production, and reinforcement and motivational process. So friends, what do you mean by attention? देखो, आप अ, और को देख के सीखते हो, तो कैसे सीखते हो? यू आर अटेंशन, यू आर गिविंग अटेंशन टू योर पेरेंट्स. आप पेरेंट्स से कुछ सीखते हो, फ्रेंड्स से या टीचर से कुछ सीखते हो, तो कैसे सीखते हो? यू आर गिविंग योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स योर टीचर. Your teacher is saying something, your attention towards your teacher or towards your parents. So attention is very important to learn something. Acquisition means acquiring. You are acquiring something, you are acquiring knowledge, you are learning something. So second thing is concentration. Concentration is important because you are concentrating to something. Attention is very important for imitation. आप किसी को imitate करोगे तो attention is very important point for that. Attention is a psychological factor, it is a mental factor, yes or no? So first stage or first component is attentional process. Attention is very important to learn something. Second one, retentional process. What do you mean by retention? Retain का मतलब क्या होता है? Remember, or you are restoring something. This is called retentional process. Third one, motor reproduction process. What do you mean by motor reproduction process? आपने कुछ देखा तो आपको कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा. You have to performance, you have to act, then only you will learn. Yes or no? Fourth one, the last one, reinforcement and motivational process. We already talk about reinforcement. आप कुछ अच्छा खुद try कर रहे हो. Motivational. What you motivational? Your teacher, your parents praising someone, so that motivates you to do well. Yes or no? Consequences. Consequences क्या है? आप कुछ अच्छा करोगे तो आपको प्रेज मिलेगा, अवार्ड मिलेगा, रिवार्ड मिलेगा. कुछ गलत करोगे तो आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. उसी से आपको क्या हो रहा है? मोटिवेशन आप हो रहे हो. सेल्फ रीइंफोर्समेंट, यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू वेल. आप खुद कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हो. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द फोर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग. अटेंशन, retention, motor production. Motor production means performance, action you have to do, and reinforcement and motivational process. Okay dear friends, this is all about social development theory by Albert Bandura. Now the next theory you will see, constructivist theory of Vygotsky. So what do you mean by constructive theory of Vygotsky? This is very easy. So Vygotsky belongs to Russia. So he was a Russian psychologist. He said constructivity theory developed by Vygotsky. For this constructivity theory, you need constructivist learning. You will learn through constructivist teaching. You will learn through teaching. So what he said, for learning occurs as learners are actively involved and actively participants. You will learn something when you are involved actively in that process or you are active participants, then only you will get knowledge. Okay, so what do you mean by constructive theory? You will learn when you are present actively. Okay, your body and mind present actively. Learning always builds upon knowledge. Learning always builds upon knowledge that students already know. This prior knowledge is called schema. देखो, सबके पास, सबके माइंड में क्या होता है? स्कीमा. स्कीमा इज व्हाट? मेंटल स्ट्रक्चर. उसके ऊपर आपको क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे डेवलपमेंट होता है. यू आर गेटिंग नॉलेज ऑन दैट. In last theory we studied about dog. First you know about a black dog. You saw a black dog, so you thought all dogs are black only, you thought. After that you saw a white dog. Then what happened? You got some knowledge about the dog. ओ डॉग ब्लैक नहीं होते, ये वाइट भी हो सकते हैं, रेड भी हो सकते हैं. जिसका 4 लेग्स है वो तो डॉग हो सकता है, और वो कैट भी हो सकता है, वो काऊ भी हो सकता है. ऐसा तुम्हारा क्या हुआ? नॉलेज आपका इंक्रीज हुआ. ओके, आपका जो प्रायर नॉलेज होता है उसके ऊपर आपको और ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिलता है. सो लर्निंग ऑलवेज बिल्ड्स अपॉन द नॉलेज दैट स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी हैव. जो आपके पास जो नॉलेज था उसके ऊपर आपने कुछ सीखा. ओके, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म? I already said it is actively involved. So the students are actively present. Knowledge is constructed. Here is the example. What is knowledge is constructed? Learning is an active process. We already studied about this. Learning is a social activity. To seeing others, you are learning. Motivation is key learning. The activities, the assignments should be interactive and student centered. स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या बेनिफिट है उसको लेके आपको एक्टिविटीज़ प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट कंस्ट्रक्टिव थ्योरी ऑफ Vygotsky. In shortcut, I make you understand. After that, you can add your own words to your note. Okay, I hope you understood these 2 theories, social development and the constructive theory. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video. Namaste, and friends, don't forget to like.